Alright, YouTube, I'm back. So today I'm gonna go ahead and fix another transmission leak. I'm gonna just show you this little component that's on the transmission that leaks sometimes if you have this issue. So let's go and get into it. Right here, where you see that speed cable thing that's on the side of the transmission, that little knob. Hold on for a minute, let me get close to it. Let me show you right quick. All right here, that little speed sensor right here, it has a seal on it. Let me show you. It has a seal on it right here that messes up. And sometimes people will put sealing around it to try to fill it up, but then that doesn't work. So what you do, you just pull it out. It's a 10mm bolt, and it's a seal on here. And what you'll do, you'll just pull all that stuff off, and that seal that's right there, a lot of people don't replace that seal, and it's just worn out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it and then get it all cleaned up, and then I'll show you the outcome of it. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So I came down here to my uncle's crib, and he the one that mainly have a lot of the parts that if I don't have, you know, pretty much he'll have them. But these right here are just O-rings, different sizes and stuff like that. And right here I end up finding one, and he did tell me that the brown ones are mainly for like oil, so that's perfect for this right here, and it fits. It's gonna fit pretty tight and nice, like a nice tight snug fit. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up and then turn it back on. Back, YouTube. So I got the seal on, and as you see, it fits real nice, and it's kind of like on the thick side. And my uncle said, you know, make sure when you put it on, make sure you can feel like a little hump right here, and it's not loose. So when you put it in, it's got a nice seal to it. And yeah, so that's a good thing about, you know, having family members that's in the same line of work that you're in, that you like to do. You can, you know, come and grab a part and get it straight and keep it going. So let's go ahead and get this installed, and I'll turn it back on. All right, YouTube, so I got the piece back in. It started raining. I'm sorry I couldn't get the shot of me installing it, but I pushed it in, and it was a more snug fit going in, and you just put everything back together. And I went ahead and cleaned it up and stuff like that, and yeah, so that's how you just replace it to fix that leak. And hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks for tuning in. Peace.